In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts using CSS when you don't know CSS in a Vimeo OTT theme. Now, I want to be very clear at this moment in time, unless it's in the API adjustments that you can actually make, and I'm not an API expert, but you can't natively change or select any type of font that you want in a Vimeo OTT theme. It's just not available on your theme editor. At least it's a feature that's not available right now, maybe in the future. So the easy way to do so is going to be using the CSS in the custom style box without being a CSS expert, and copying and pasting from the developer toolbox in Google or Firefox. For this tutorial, we're going to be doing this in Google Chrome. Our first step is going to be clicking the three dots in the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser. Scroll down to the More Tools and hover over it and open the Developer Tools link. In step 2, in the Developer Tools box, we're going to click on the arrow icon link in the top left corner next to the device icon in order to view which element you are highlighting on your page. We're going to target a box element with an H1 element inside. If we are not targeting a class, then this may affect all H1 elements. If you're a person that knows very little to no code, then no worries, as this video is to guide you specifically on copying and pasting what you need to change and why. The third step, once you have highlighted the element, go down to the styles box below. Notice how you have the CSS code properties and values are pretty self-explanatory for the most part, such as color and width. So even if you don't know any CSS from prior experience, you should be able to read and tell what you are able to adjust. Play around with these values to see what changes and how it is changed. Then, when you're ready to make those changes, you're going to double click on the values part to make those changes, as seen here. Next, we're going to modify the font properties, which are the ones that says font family or anything with font in the name, with the exception of the word color, which is responsible for the font color of that specific element. So if you want to change the CSS, not with the exception, but if you want to change anything or any color fonts, you're going to go ahead and do so here this way. Now, in this next step, I want to mention that there is a list of standard web fonts that the browsers will recognize, whether you're using Chrome or Firefox, that you can use in order to change the default fonts that Vimeo OTT provides. I will link to these in the description box below. Now, I am currently in the process of learning how to add Google fonts to provide the user with more choice in the matter. However, it is a bit more difficult as the CSS and Vimeo's OTT themes have rules and properties that take super priority and hard to override. So we'll worry about that in another video. Now, once you have made the changes in the browser's developer toolbox, it's time to copy and paste them over into the custom styles box section of your theme. So now we're going to close out the browser dev tools and click anywhere on your theme. Refresh the page to ensure your changes stick, and voila, you have easily changed the font of your theme. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you all so much again for rocking with me here in this Dljworks tutorial. Stay tuned for more Vimeo OTT videos to come, and also check out the Vimeo OTT Quick Start course if you're a beginner, you don't know where to begin, and you want something that quickly tells you what to do from beginning to end, from A to Z, in a very short video collection for only $15 right now. That is it for the course. I'm also working on ways to make the course a little bit more succinct, condense it down said probably in the same style that you saw this video with less of my face, scripting more to get things as concise as possible. So please give me some feedback on what you thought here in this video. But yeah, link is in the description for that quick start course. See y'all in the next one. God bless y'all. Dljworks, and I'm out.